Prior to this process, connect your computer to the GTX600 via USB or network cable. Open the GTX6 maintenance tool on Windows in the Start menu, on Mac OS in the Applications folder. The GTX6 maintenance tool menu appears on the screen. Select your printer, then select Initial Settings after head replacement. Click Next afterwards. Begin by selecting Color Print Head A and press Next. A prompt will ask for the print head's serial number and V rating, voltage rating. Open the two left side doors and locate the serial number and V rating on the front of the print heads. The print head location indicates which print head is A or B. The serial number and V rating are circled in red. Enter the exact serial number and V rating into each window. Pay close attention to whether it's an A or B printhead, then press Next. Repeat these steps for the remaining printheads, pressing Next to continue. When finished, all initial settings will return as completed. Press Next to finish the setup.